Welcome back to Tip Tuesday, Ryan.
Good to be back. Thanks for having me.
Of course. So I've been getting a lot of questions about points.
Yes.
What's a point? What's the point of a point, Ryan? Let's educate our
It's
audience.
great question. We do get that a lot. I know you do too, Dana. What are points or discount points or buy down points? There's a lot of names for it, really. But bottom line is, it's all the same thing. Paying points or a discount or buying points is basically paying more in closing costs to get a better interest rate. Now, all lenders have what's called a par rate. Now this rate means that there's no extra cost to that rate. So let's say, for instance, today the par rate is a 6.875 on a conventional loan. Again, that's with no extra cost to get that rate. Now, you can pay a point, which equals 1% of the loan amount. And that rate with that cost could drop all the way to a 6.375%. Or you could pay 2%, 2 points in extra closing costs, and that would get you all the way down to a 5.99%. These are just examples, but that kind of gives you an idea of what these extra fees or points really, get you to. Now, the question is usually, should you pay these extra points to get a better rate and lower your payment? And the answer is, it depends. When
Yeah.
working with a lender, you always want to get their par rate, the one with no extra closing costs that we mentioned. So, and you want to get rates with paying points to compare as well. But you want to make sure your break even point. And what that means, you want to know how long it's going to take you to make back the extra costs that you're paying to buy down the rate with that lower rate and payment that you're going to be getting with it. So, if you don't plan on staying in the home for more than a couple of years, or if you plan on refinancing when rates drop, you most likely, won't make your money back, that you're spending to lower the rate. So paying points wouldn't make sense in this case. But if you're staying in the home long term, if you don't want to gamble with the uncertain rate environment, not knowing where things are going to be going, paying points could be a great option. So if you have questions, or if you want to run some buy down points and break even options, let me know. Always here to help.
Great point on the points, Ryan. Thank you as always, and see you next week, everybody.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.